you good? Troy, you good? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Of course, once again, he comes for me.
Ooh.
Hit!
I got you?
Yeah. Got me in the foot. Alright, so now Matt, since Troy's already gonna know where you are, I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna be your cameraman. Tactical videoing.
All the bullets missed somehow.
They did, Troy. It was actually kind of cool. He got you! Alright. Round 2. Matt, you good? As you're walking. Troy, you good? Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! No, to him? Okay. See if I can get Troy. I have no idea where he is. Oh crap. There he is. Ah! I'm gonna fall. I gotta watch both sides now. Hit! Once again, first one dead. I'm out. Alright, tactical videoing.
Think the Deagle will win, brah. I have 50 bullets. Got 5 on him. 10 more. You push me.
You know what? I was Matthew's video guy. Last time Troy was your video guy. Alright. Tactical videoing.
Drop on this thing, so freaking heavy. Ah, hit.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. Oh, I felt that go right next to my boot. Alright, let's see if I can shoot him through the tree. Dang it. See if I can hit Matthew from over here. Dang it, I would hit him too. That's a little late. Wait, over. Right. Here. I think I light. Oh, wait, it's broken. Ah! Yeah, a little bit. Am I out? I hope I'm not out. No, I'm not out. I am good sniper, I swear. Alright, there's one thing I'm gonna have to do. It might get me killed. Let me just see where you are, Troy. Hello. Alright. I did it again. Hood up. There we go. Alright. Leroy Jenkins! You got me. It didn't work.
Whoa, Jesus, that was right next to my face.
I know, I saw.
It's not even cocked. You're good. I'm not.
That was close. I know. I saw.
I saw that hit the twigs. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and back up a little bit. That way I can get both of you guys.
Did you have to reload there, buddy? No. I'm not reloading right now, I swear.
Matt was hit.
My God!
Troy is the winner. High five. I'm coming, Troy. Ooh, dual style. All right, on my count, you draw. Shake hands. Six steps back. Go. I gotta back up way much. All right. Hold on.
Not yet. Yes, they draw.
Aaron's shot.
Miss.
Shoot.
Matthew surrenders.
No, I shot my left bullet.
Three, 4, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Look like a samurai right now. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Alright, let's go. Let's scan out the area first. Do not trip over that. Oh, I think I see him. Yeah, I see him. This is what I want you to do. You're gonna go left. Act like you don't see him. You go left, we're gonna see. Alright. I'll check over by these trees and then act like you don't see him. He's not making it. See if I can hit him from here. Let me see if I can get around from the back of him. I need to stop putting my hood up over the sling. Ah! Alright, let's see if I can do this. Oh gosh. Dang it. Oh, come on. Dang it, that almost got him. Heading in this direction.
I felt like I hit him so many times.
That's right. We almost got him, come on. Ah. We're right next to him, come on. How many rounds do I have left? 4 rounds. 5 if you count the one in the chamber. Okay, I'm gonna go down to the ditch.
Could you not? What?
I've shot, what, 3, 4 shots? So I have 1 or 2 left. Well, we're about to find out. Let's see if I can go low. How are you doing on ammo?
Still got some noise.
I've got, I think, 1 shot left. We're about to find out. Oh, he's trying to reload. Let me see. Turn down the sights. Boom. Way off. I gotta get. Oh gosh. Tactical Tic Tac dispensal. If I can get 1 round chambered before I die, I will have 1 kill by the end of the day.
What? You went right between my legs that time.
Alright, 1 round chambered. Matt, push up. Push up. Don't hit. Hit. I let myself get hit.
Hey, bro. Can you hold on to my gun?
Yeah, I guess.
Move away. Hold up. Whew.
Tactical videotaping. I'm going to tape him. Excuse me. That got you. I think I got him in the groin. Go count. Right here. Right here. Alright. That's sniper. Hopefully I do better this round than I did. No, I have until they count to 50. I can get to a good spot, get some cover without that time. Excuse me. Go ahead and pull this out of the video recording area. In other words, my stomach. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get down right here. Become one with the snow. So let's see. Yeah, they see me. No doubt about it that they see me. They might be pulling the same maneuver trick me and Matt did. So let me. Don't move. Looking away. Move. Alright. Alright, take it. Let me see. Stay. Let me get the spare mag out of my pocket. Oh, up, and they found me. They found me. Right. They're currently on their way. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, I'm on the thing. Alright. Alright, they're taking shots. Are being dumped. Ah!
Terminator.
As I didn't even get one shot off. That's how much I sucked. Yeah, I wonder where he is. Alright, take the ditch. We're just gonna go straight for him.
Be wary. Oh, I see him. Straight ahead.
Yep.
But just make it look like we don't know where he is. So just like clear the ditch.
Yeah, act like you're looking through the ditch, and I'm gonna stay above. Hey Troy, there's another ditch over there. I'm gonna move through that one, you move through that one, and we'll corner him. Right? All right. Come on. I haven't gotten a kill since we started. One kill to make my day. Please. All right. See if I can hit him. Oh, that sucked. Down. Nope. This side. Up. Oh. Oh, come on. To the right a little bit. Nope. Too far. I'm going to get at least one kill.
Whoa! That's close. Take the trench.
Right. Oh, my shots are going over him. Don't hit me. Oh crap, I may be out. Either I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. Give me some pellets. Yeah, reload. Okay. Come on. Oh, damn, I dropped one. Right. 3 rounds. 2 rounds, because I, 1 round, god damn it.
Bang! Bang! You're not at bang bang range.
Yeah, you're way too far for bang bang range, Troy.
Bang bang! You okay? Hold on. You okay? We'll just stay down. Hey, outside, wait! I said you were dad. I got you first.
I need to stop dropping the fucking pellets. I've got 1 round to try and kill him with, and I swear to God, if this one drops out like the other ones.
That hit your leg.
Did it?
I did.
No idea if that hit you.
Blurry.
I'll take it. I'll take the L.
It's so blurry.
It hasn't set in yet. Look at this. Game. I'm going to get a kill. It is my solemn duty to get a kill. Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh great, now Troy's coming for me first. Let's see if I can take him out. Wish I could get on. Okay, I need to take the time to aim. Oh! That went right in front of me. I have no idea if I got that on camera. Has been spotted. Matt, put your goggles on.
Oh.
See if I can get Troy. Come on, 1 kill. Yes! I got my kill! Okay, so I can make it that far. If I can just hit him. I'm sorry, Troy! Matt's having gun problems. Perfect time to strike. No. Shit. Okay. Alright, so here's what I need to do. Get some BBs. Do not drop them, Steven. Oh, do not bring out the electric gun. I've got 4 shots. Back, back.
You can't beat the master.
Ay.
Damn, boy. Damn.
Crashing, hit a wall. Right now, I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Stranded, reaching out. I call your name, but you're not around. I say your name, but you're not around. I need ya, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let